As Clayton Keller's got some time to bring it back. Here they come. Sergachev's got it.
Keller's stuck in the offensive zone. He can't get out. He's just getting...
Yeah, and 3 seconds to go. Gunther, he shoots. He scores! Dylan Gunther! Did it count? It did! Oh, my! You've got to be kidding! Game winner!